Hey beautiful people, I made peanut butter and sweet potato cookies. So I ordered some online groceries and 2 packages of these sugar cookies came with my groceries. I didn't buy them. So I decided to use them. So to my bowl, I added some peanut butter. I like using the natural peanut butter. And then I added 1 egg and mixed them all together. And then I formed a log and rolled out some dough and baked the cookies. And this video is brought to you and sponsored by Oyus and Bars soaps and products. Oyus and Bars butter jars and sugar scrub jars are packed with shea butter and natural ingredients. Start using Oyus and Bars soaps and products today and say bye to dry and ashy skin.
Oil and bar butter, good for your skin, better than lotion.
So with this batch of cookies, I decided to mix together my wet ingredients first using my leftover sweet potato pie mixture, butter, and egg. And then I added the cookie mix. I blended it all together, and I have to say it was smelling just like sweet potato pie when I baked these cookies. And these cookies came out tasting just like sweet potato pie. Happy New Year to everyone that support Miss Shep and Oyus and Bar soaps and products from my heart. God bless you and I love you. And as we're entering into 2024, remember to love on God more. It's going to cause you to love yourself more so that God can use us better to love and serve people.